Now this is an absolutely gorgeous wolf cut style featuring the bangs in the front. She does have just a hint of color going there towards the ends, playing into the ombre or dip dyed end trend. Such a cute style. I am so excited about the fact that a lot of these retro styles have managed to make a comeback this season. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone doing some color. This stylist is the most amazing hair colorist, one of which I have managed to find in a very long time on TikTok. Looks like she is giving the client some red hair here. Oh, she did like the color blocking trend. Now, I've been talking about this trend actually for the past couple of days. This is a huge one that we're going to continue to see into 2024. Love the play of the checkered color blocking look with the red against the black. Such a fun color idea. Next up, we have another very hot hair trend, and that includes the shag. We're seeing, like I said, a lot of those retro trends making a comeback this season, and the shag is definitely managed to come on the scene. Now you can do this with straight hair, or if you have natural curly or wavy textured hair, this will be a great way to overall add some shape to your strands. Oh, very nice style. And she does have her natural curly wavy texture mixed in. Beautiful bangs to frame out the look. Very nice. Next up, we have a color change. She gets a nice refresh on that blonde, going brighter. Very nice. I love the dimension on the color here. Looks so natural. The stylist did an amazing job. And then we have our last transformation for today's video. This one is also going to play into that very popular layered haircut trend. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous. I just love the simplicity behind the layered look. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.